In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a content database in Notion, aimed at helping beginners grasp the basics of this fantastic tool. Notion is a versatile platform that allows you to organize information in almost any way you can imagine, and creating a content database is one of its most powerful uses. So let's dive right in and get started with building your content management system. First, you'll want to start by creating a new database. In Notion, navigate to your workspace and select Add a New Page. Once you've done that, you can choose Database from the menu options. This will provide a structure that you can mold into your own custom content database. You have the flexibility to choose how you want your database to initially display. But starting with a table view is often the most straightforward for beginners. Now, with your new database ready, it's time to add properties. These are essentially the fields you'll use to categorize and manage your content. Start by including basic properties like title for the name of your content piece, type to identify the kind of content you're dealing with, be it a blog post, social media graphic, or a video, status to help track what stage your content is in, and deadline to keep track of important dates. By doing this, you'll have a clear overview of your content at any given time. Properties can be customized further to suit your needs by adding additional fields such as authors or tags, if necessary. Next, a great way to visualize your content workflow is by using the board view. This view is ideal for tracking progress and managing the various stages your content pieces go through from conception to completion. In Notion, you can switch your view to a board by selecting the View drop-down and choosing Board. Organize your content items as cards and move them through columns like Idea, In Progress, Review, and Completed. This setup gives you a visual representation of where each piece of content stands in the production process, which can be immensely helpful in identifying bottlenecks and ensuring a smooth workflow. Finally, as you complete your content pieces, remember to tag and archive them appropriately. Notion allows you to apply tags, which can be custom fields, to easily group content pieces by theme, channel, or any other attribute you find useful. Once a piece is complete and published, you can archive it. Archiving will keep your active workspace clean while maintaining a record of your finished work for future reference or analysis. And there you have it. A straightforward way to set up a content database in Notion. By following these simple steps, you'll efficiently organize and manage your content creation process. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.